Lamps cast a warm glow across the cozy apartment as Anna sits on the sofa, a book resting unopened in her lap. Mark stands close, a teasing grin dancing on his face, breaking the silence. Anna's brow furrows slightly as she touches her cheek, her expression a mix of amusement and exasperation. Must you always be so sudden? Mark's grin widens as he leans in, his voice full of playful mystery. But did you hear it? The sound? Inside the cozy apartment, Mark's playful kiss echoes, a sound as exaggerated as his hopes. Anna rises, her movements like a whisper against the backdrop of twinkling city lights. It's the advance payment, Anna. Everything else follows. Mark's words hang in the air, a stark promise. Love isn't a transaction, Mark. It's tenderness, a gentle embrace, understanding, not just that. Anna's voice carries a quiet strength, tinged with disappointment. But isn't there room for both? Mark's question lingers, a plea for compromise amidst the emotional distance. Anna turns, her eyes meeting Mark's in a moment of gentle acknowledgement. I know your intentions are good, Anna admits, a tender smile softening her features. She gently chides. But sometimes, Mark, you're just too eager. Playfully poking his chest, Mark responds with a playful grin. I'll try, Anna. But no promises about the occasional advance payment, his eyes twinkling.